welcome you to NRG Stadium here in Houston. Jags and Texans right around the corner. And Jeff, this is a big divisional matchup and a chance to sweep your rivals here.
Well, and it's a true rival. Now, there's no love lost between these two teams. The Texans been division champs for the last 2 years, and today they're without their starting quarterback, C.J. Stroud, due to a concussion. So Davis Mills gets the start. And what a great opportunity to get to 6-3 and send the Texans to 3-6.
Good, man. Lock your ass up. Yes, sir. You got everything you need in it. Yeah, go play, man.
Second down and 10 from the 43-yard line. Shotgun. It's a blitz. Fires it to the right side. Ball picked off. That ball is intercepted. Running it back is Jarian Jones inside the 30-yard line. What a play by Jarian Jones. He picks it off and runs it back to the 29-yard line of the Houston Texans.
Hey, come on, man. Hey, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Do what you do. Hell yeah. Do what you do. Hell yeah. That's how you do it.
That's a great job by Jarian because the Jaguars are bringing a blitz, and so he's anticipating that ball coming out in a hurry, and it does. Davis Mills is trying to find Christian Kirk. Jarian jumps right in front of him. That's an outstanding takeaway.
As soon as they lined up, I said, go in spot. I said, as soon as they lined up.
Out Lil Lawn for what will be a 32-yard field goal. This one from the right hash. Logan Cook puts it down. Cam kicks it up, and the 32-yard field goal is good.
Win this first down. Stop this run. Here it comes.
Little will kick off again. Puts a foot to it. This will be Tremont Smith from the 3-yard line to the 10, the 15-yard line. And he is cut down the ball. Fumble. The Jags try and jump on top of this. Inside the 20-yard line. They have it. The Jags have recovered inside the 20-yard line of the Houston Texans.
Oh my goodness, the dam is breaking when it comes to takeaways, and a great job by Ventrell Miller. He's the one who caused the fumble, and it's recovered. That's Danny Strigo. Danny Strigo with the recovery.
Good job, brother. Good job.
Dropping, looking, fires back corner of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown by Parker Washington.
Oh, this is close now. I don't know about that second foot, Frank. I'd like to see that again. Oh, it's in. What a great job by Parker Washington. That throw right there was on the money. Now, what a catch by Parker Washington.
Come on, Lord. Oh, yes, sir.
Shotgun, 4-man front. Dropping his Mills. Looking. He's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. Eric Armstead got him. What work by this Jaguars defense.
Great job.
Now Townsend's got to punt it away from the back of his end zone. He gets it away. Oh, that's a bomb. Boy, that is a bomb of a punt. Washington fields it at the 29-yard line. Gets up the field, 35, 40-yard line. Running room for Parker Washington, 45, 40, 30. Oh, on the right sideline.
Oh, my God, he gone. Oh, my gosh, he gone. He gone. He gone.
Parker Washington, he's going to bring it back. Parker Washington, touchdown Jacksonville. There are no flags. The Jags have extended the lead.
You cold-blooded, boy. You cold-blooded. You cold-blooded, gang.
How about that move by Parker Washington? It was such a long punt, and he just sits there with the ball in his hands. He's not going anywhere. He's waiting. Then he plants his foot and goes back to the right, and he never is touched. You want to talk about great blocking and great setup by Parker Washington. Holy cow.
You got to be ready to be live.
So Matthew Wright comes on, the one-time Jaguar, to attempt a 23-yard field goal from the left hash to try and get Houston on the board. Townsend puts it down. Wright kicks it up, and the chip shot field goal is good, and Houston is on the board. Third and 20 from the 49 of the Texans. Shotgun for Trevor, dropping against a four-man rush. Fires downfield. That ball is going to be caught, I believe, or did they say it hit the ground? They'll say it's a catch by Austin Tremmel. A diving catch at the 34-yard line, and that'll put him in field goal position, and on comes Cam Little for the field goal attempt. Logan puts it down, handles a high snap. Little kicks it up, and the 53-yard field goal is good. Nice job by Logan Cook. He handled a high snap. He got it down. Cam Little drilled it, and the Jags have extended the lead. Under center from the 1-yard line. 1:25 to play on a turning clock. They pitch it to the left. This is Woody Marks. He is going to be into the end zone for the touchdown. We have played 30 minutes here at NRG Stadium. Jaguars 20, Texans 10. Not a lot of offense for the Jags, only 87 total yards, but good work by the special teams. A punt return by Parker Washington, and they've gotten a couple takeaways, and that's the key to the game. They lead at 20-10. 3rd and 5. They're 2 out of 6 on third downs of the Jags. Myers is in the game now. Dropping. It's a blitz. Another blitz from the Texans. Wide open is Myers. He's got the catch along the right sideline. Did he stay in bounds? He stumbled out of bounds. Jacoby Myers, his biggest catch as a Jaguar. Now they'll motion Etienne out of there. Play fake. Pump fake. They throw it to the right side. That's Etienne. He's got running room. 40, 35, 30. Boy, is he explosive after the catch. 33-yarder from the right hash. Logan Cook puts it down. Cam Little kicks it up. And the 33-yard field goal is good. And the Jags have extended the lead on the first possession of the second half. 3rd down, 17, 18, let's call it. Shotgun for Trevor. Dropping the throw blitz. Boy, they've blitzed a lot. Trevor fires underneath. The ball is caught and breaking the tackle. Still on his feet. 45, 40-yard line. Inside the 40. How about that from your tight end, Johnny Munt?
Hell yeah, Johnny. Hell yeah.
This is the 11th play of the drive, to your point. 1st and goal from the 6-yard line. They hand it to Etienne. Lowers his shoulder. Into the end zone. Touchdown. Here we go. 3rd down. 4-man front and a shotgun for Davis Mills. He drops the throw. 4-man rush. Fires toward the end zone, and that ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. 3rd down, 3. The Texans are 6 out of 11 on 3rd down. They've been good on 3rd down today. 4-man rush. He's looking all kind of time. Way too much time. Fires toward the end zone, and that ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. 3rd and goal from the 14-yard line. 37 seconds to play in the game. 4-man front for Jacksonville. Shotgun for Mills. He drops the throw. 4-man rush. Looking, scrambling to his left. He's going to run it. He's going to run it to the 5. He's going to run into the end zone for a touchdown. Here we go. 7 seconds to play. Shotgun for Trevor. Dropping the throw against a 3-man rush. Looking. He hit. The ball came out.
It's intercepted.
It is intercepted. It's going to be run back on the final play of the game. It's going to be a touchdown. So a tough way. The Jags led it 29-10. 1:33 played in the 3rd. And the Texans stormed back and won a very big division game. Again, boy, we watched enough of these NFL games, Jeff. Last week comes down to a 2-point conversion. Today comes down to the end of the game. That's the NFL. That's the way the NFL is, isn't it? That no matter how big a lead you have, somehow, some way, so many of these games wind up coming back to the very end of the game.